All right, welcome back to my art supply unwrapping video series here. This is video number 2, or unboxing video number 2. I am going to be unboxing a package of supplies that I got from Vondego. Enjoy. Kind of cool here that he's using black packaging. If you're familiar with his products at all, he's known for his Pro Series brushes, which all have a black lacquered handle to them. And his motto is always, "Welcome to the dark side." Try to open this up safely here without damaging anything that's inside. If you have ordered from Vondego before, or you've seen other people who have, he usually puts a whole lot of stuff in his packages. I think it's pretty smart as far as customer service is concerned. His is tops. I mean, he's one of the best when it comes to customer service in the pinstriping art supplies world. Let's see what all we got in here. Nothing else in the bag. Time to open up this carefully wrapped stuff here. With care, the label says. Okay, what all we got? Free bonus gift. Note cards, or a notepad. Definitely comes in handy. Something for me to write my daily to-do lists on. Another free gift here. It's like a screen-printed shop towel. Part of his world tour. Or maybe it's just a U.S. tour. Not real sure. He's retired recently and he's traveling around in his RV, so some of his stuff has things on there about that. Get some of this out of the way. Try and keep everything in the camera so you guys can see what all's going on here. So I ordered 2 brushes from him. That's all that I ordered. And with that, we got a free pen here. It says Vondego on it. Test it out, see how it writes. Just like any other ballpoint pen, except shaped like a paintbrush. Alright, here's my 2 brushes. If you'll notice, they come inside of tubes to keep them safe. Got some Lightsaber scrolling brushes. I got one of these a while back that was, I believe, a size 2. And to me, it's just a little bit bigger than what I'd like to work with. So I wanted some smaller ones. And went ahead and ordered these. So, first one. If you notice, he's also got a protective sleeve over the top of the hairs. Keeps them from getting damaged in the mail. They're also dipped in a, I believe it's called size. More protection for the hairs. Something we can wash out later with some warm water and maybe just a little bit of soap. He's actually taped the cap on these. That's really good. Open this one up. Same treatment. Pro Series, size 0. The other one's a 00. Also covered in size. Let's see what we got in our envelope here. Again, I only ordered 2 brushes here, and we've already got a notepad and a pen with it, and here comes all the other stuff. Nice little note there. Signed by the man himself. Bunch of stickers. Oh, this is cool. This is the more brushes that you buy, you get a freebie after a while. Let's see, I've ordered, I think I got 8 on there. order supplies from a lot of people, and I got to tell you, when you order supplies from Vondego, you definitely feel that the thank yous are genuine. Can't imagine that they're not, with as much as he puts into wrapping it all up nice for you and telling you thank you, and handwritten notes, just above and beyond. Bunch of stickers, one shot sticker, another one, Pro Series stickers, '50th anniversary Pro Series sticker. Gotta make more room. Here's that U.S. tour, 2022 to 2023. Man, I'd like to meet him. Maybe I'll see him on his tour. We got a little note here telling us about how he's traveling the country, and it might take a little bit longer for things to get to you shipping-wise, which I got to tell you, I ordered from 3 suppliers on the exact same day, and his came in, I think, a day ahead of the second one and 2 or 3 days ahead of the third one. So definitely not that slow. Came in very quick. Got us a little kind of coupon type deal if you get some stuff from Trulers. Again, here's all the different stuff that came in the package here. I make stuff that I ship all over the place, and man, I don't know how he does it, but he's inspiring to me as somebody who ships out artwork and ships out t-shirts and stuff. I kind of hope to aspire to have that good of customer service. That wraps up video number 2 in this 4-part series, art supply series. Hope you enjoy this. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any others. See you in the next one.